There's a real planet where it rains glass, sideways. Science fiction writers spend their whole careers dreaming up alien worlds. But the truth is stranger. Out there in our real galaxy are planets so bizarre, so violent, so impossible sounding, they make science fiction look tame. Every world I'm about to show you is real. We've actually found them. And we're counting down to the single strangest planet ever discovered. Let's go. We start with a gas giant that breaks the rules of what a planet should even be. Kelt 9b orbits its star so closely that a single year there lasts just a day and a half. And it's hot. Its day side reaches over 4,000 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of many actual stars. At those temperatures, things stop behaving normally. Iron and titanium, metals that are rock solid here on Earth, don't just melt. They boil into vapor and drift through the atmosphere as glowing metallic gas. The planet's own star is slowly tearing molecules apart in its sky. Imagine standing on a world where the air itself is made of evaporated metal. That's number 5. And somehow, it gets stranger from here. Now meet the opposite extreme. TRES-2b is a gas giant roughly the size of Jupiter, but it is the darkest planet we've ever discovered. It reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it. To put that in perspective, it's blacker than coal, darker than the blackest paint. If you flew a spaceship past it, you'd struggle to even see it against the void. So why is it so dark? Scientists think its atmosphere contains light-absorbing chemicals that swallow nearly every ray of light. The only reason we know it's there at all is a faint, eerie red glow. The dull ember light of a planet so hot it smolders in the dark. A ghost world, hiding in plain sight. This one might be the most beautiful and the most terrifying on the list. From a distance, HD 189733b is a stunning deep cobalt blue, almost exactly the color of Earth from space. You could be forgiven for thinking it looks like home, but that gorgeous blue isn't water or sky. It comes from clouds packed with tiny particles of silicate, essentially glass. And the weather there is nightmarish. Winds scream across the planet at up to 5,000 miles an hour, 7 times the speed of sound. So when it rains on this world, the droplets aren't water. They're molten glass, and those ones are so violent that the glass doesn't fall down. It flies sideways, shredding across the planet at lethal speed. A beautiful blue marble that would flay you alive. At number 2, a world living out a slow cosmic horror story. WASP-12b orbits its star so impossibly close that the star's gravity is literally pulling the planet apart. The intense pull has stretched it from a sphere into the shape of a glowing egg. And it's worse than that. The star is actively devouring it. A stream of the planet's own material is being ripped away and pulled down into the star, like sand draining through an hourglass. The planet is also pitch black and scorching hot, over 2,000 degrees. Astronomers estimate that in roughly 10 million years, a heartbeat cosmically, WASP-12b will be completely consumed. We are watching a planet die in real time. And number 1, this is the world that sounds the most like pure fiction, except it's real. 55. Cancri E is a super-Earth, about twice the size of our planet. But you would not want to visit. One side permanently faces its star, baking under temperatures over 2,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough that its surface is likely a churning ocean of molten lava. The skies may rain rock, but here's the part that made headlines around the world. Based on early measurements of its makeup, scientists proposed something extraordinary, that this planet could be incredibly rich in carbon. And under that crushing heat and pressure, much of that carbon could exist as diamond, a world potentially holding more diamond than humanity has ever mined. Later studies have debated just how much, but think about that. A planet that might quite literally be partly made of jewels, glowing in the dark. And these are just 5. The deeper we look, the stranger the universe gets. We've now found thousands of these worlds, and we've barely scratched the surface of our own galaxy. We went looking for the strangest worlds out there, and maybe the strangest thing of all is that something might be looking back at this, the only home we've ever known. So, which of these worlds would you visit? Tell me in the comments, and subscribe, because the universe is just getting started.